Belinha.
This dog noticed the baby stealing the spotlight and took that personally.
Your personal space has expired, human. Renew with kibbles.
Higher volume of pests. When you go back to the manufacturer,
Oh my God, what do I do with
I had to finish this.
He's gonna drown himself. Понимаешь? Угу. Их видно, да? Да. Реально бросим потом и вот на второй раз ничего не бросай.
The orange cat is the most romantic of all the cats.
दोस्तों
You believe money can fall from the sky? Oh!
You know your house just got louder the moment a Chihuahua puppy moves in.
Seems like someone's having a bit of trouble with gravity.
I'm pretty sure he's having the sweetest dream ever.
When seeing an opportunity for a fashion upgrade, take it.
Two baby goats are having their play date. One's a patient, one acts like a doctor. Good game.
Because the earthy vibe is trending this year. It's for handling this.
Oh, Lord have mercy. I got me a motherfucking fork. You bitch!
You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. Stop. Stop!
Yo, that's your pigeon? That's your pigeon? That's not your pigeon? She's down in your head?
I don't know if it's business.
Play fighting with toys helps doggo channel their natural prey drive.
Yes, I do know a thing to do with that.
Excuse me, sir.
It's okay.
Normally a four-legged bodyguard. The second thunder hits, a huge baby.
Some souls are just born with music inside them.
This puppy looks like he's waiting for the teacher to hand out the test.
The cat's final act is called I'll just grab one more bite. She's 100% recharging chaos batteries.
You're gonna fall. Stop. Stop! Hello. Ow!
No, you jumped over these double bacon.
I told you it was a little kitty.
Oh my
I thought it was a bobcat.
Dad, can we keep it?